Visitor picks a garden mentor, grabs a time. The booking is available on their own calendar. Here's how I built that. One focused prompt, who the mentors are, what the visitor does, and what happens on submit. Now the part that makes it stick, after they book, they add it straight to whatever calendar they use. Google, Outlook, or download for Apple Calendar. The booking is their calendar in one tap. You can even modify the message that displays. In this case, I said, on the Book a Garden Mentor page, change the confirmation message to read, "You're booked. Add it to your calendar below so you don't miss it." And that is the booking page your visitors actually can act upon, and it is yours to keep editing. So how can you extend this? The first part is that if you want staff to be able to set their availability, you can either prompt inside of Airo to do that, or if you have made a login dashboard like I have, I can go into my member portal. And if we assume that I am Maria, I can come in and schedule my availability. I've already logged into this dashboard. Say that I'm available on Monday from 9 until 11 for that specific item and save my availability. Since I'm in preview, I'm getting that test button. Cool, saved. And then when I go back to look at my Book a Mentor area as Maria, test button, and I look at Monday, it looks to me like it only has the availability that we specified in the admin dashboard, which is perfect and fantastic. You can also ask Airo to make sure that the mentor in this case receives an email about the booking, as well as the person that is planning the booking. And finally, if you really want to go all out, you can ask Airo to do things like creating a Google and Microsoft connection to the database and hook up all of those flows. That would involve getting specific API and secret keys from these other systems and connecting that through Airo so that if somebody has booked, that it would show up automatically on the staff member's calendar as well as on the participant's calendar too. Try Airo AI Builder free in your GoDaddy account, no credit card needed, and build your own at the link in the description. When yours is live, come share it in our Airo Builder Lab community on Discord. Tell me in the comments which calendar you connected first, and if this helped, like the video and subscribe so you can catch the next build. See you there.